That's how you get thousands of gems in Stick War Legacy using VIP private codes. Guys, imagine if I told you there's a secret method to score thousands of gems without draining your wallet or spending countless hours grinding in the game. Well, in this tutorial, I'm about to spill the beans and share with you how I've got all these gems in Stick War Legacy without paying a dime. Surprisingly, some of the biggest Stick War Legacy creators use this very method, and here's the kicker, it's pretty much free and nobody talks about it. Until today. But before we dive in, let's take a moment to announce the winners of yesterday's Stick War Legacy giveaway. As you know, I give away 6,000 gems to 3 lucky subscribers every single day. To win, simply subscribe to my channel, drop a like, and comment on my videos. Make sure you've also enabled "Can receive gifts from others" on your Stick War Legacy account. Now let's pick today's fortunate winners. The names will be displayed on the screen. Congratulations to today's winners. And remember, I'll be selecting more winners in the next video. So if you want to be among them, subscribe and drop a like on this video. Now back to how you can grab these gems using VIP codes. You might have heard about the latest Stick War Legacy VIP codes that are making waves. You can snag anywhere from 1,000 gems to a whopping 10,000 gems with these codes. And the best part? I'm going to show you exactly how to obtain your very own VIP code. First things first, head to your game settings. This is where you'll redeem your code. Now, to redeem a code, type in one of the new Stick War Legacy VIP codes. Usually, these codes are exclusive to the biggest content creators, making them nearly impossible to obtain, unless you're a YouTube or platform sensation. Here's where step 2 comes into play. You simply need to enter your Stick War Legacy VIP code to redeem it. Lucky for you, we have new codes available, and Stick War Legacy Club is generously sharing them for free. For more details on how to snag your Stick War Legacy VIP code effortlessly, check the comments section. Once you've followed the steps, your personalized Stick War Legacy VIP code will appear on the screen. Remember, don't share your code because it can only be redeemed once. If you share this with a friend, they'll need to get their own fresh code. And now, on to step 3. Congratulations, you now have your very own Stick War Legacy VIP code. Redeem it. And as you've seen in my intro, we've struck gold with the last code we redeemed. So there you have it. A straightforward and hassle-free way to get your hands on thousands of Stick War Legacy gems without opening your wallet or grinding endlessly. If this method works for you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your free Stick War Legacy gems.